Okay, everybody. I want to show you. A friend of mine asked me yesterday or the day before yesterday, how you get in the stock market. I've been doing it about 2, maybe 3 years now. Um, I kind of really got into it more in the last couple last year or something. First year I really got into it. Then the first I coasted for about the next year or so, and then especially the beginning of this year, I really got into it more. Um, this is not my full-time job. I do have another full-time job. I pretty much, so this one is kind of a on the side thing to hear rates recently. So I've been really doing it, studying more. But you want to buy oil stock, and the best thing you do is you want to buy stock, and you're not want to really learn to trade, and then just probably go to. I think a friend of mine said Vanguard, and they'll buy the stock for him, and he wanted to buy oil, the barrel oil stock. Um, my broker does not do it, so therefore I have to get a broker to do it, and we'll explain brokers later on. We'll probably do another video on brokers. But how to get started in the stock market, if you really want to do it. Um, First thing you need to learn is what you're going to get into, what kind of stock you're going to do. You got regular stock, which is like NASDAQ, runs Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Now that verifies from whatever time zone you go through or in. It could be 8 to 5, whatever. It just varies in your time zone. If you're overseas, it's different platform, whatever. Um, this is like Google, Facebook, and stuff's on that stock, NASDAQ. Next one is $1 trillion industry, and I mean $1 trillion day industry. That's a forex market, and it's a trade of money. So what does that mean? It's just if you ever went to a different country, like I went to Mexico, we got to Mexico. I think it was the $1 for every 12 pesos. When we came back, it actually we made a little bit of money when we traded it back in because we made money. Now it's worth a lot more. I think $1 is worth 21 pesos. So it depends on how long you hold it. Now we stayed down there for a month or so. So therefore it did rise. And now, like I said, it just varies. You can lose money, you can make money. One time we went back and we realized we was actually going to lose money, so we kept the pesos and brought them back, and we still got them here. so um, so that's forex market. And you can trade with every country. U.S. dollar to that dollar, from Europe dollar to their dollar, Canada dollar for Mexico dollar, Europe for Mexico. It doesn't matter. It's not. You don't have to just pick U.S. Now that stock market runs from Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day. Now that being said, here it starts around 4 or 5 Central Time, Sunday afternoon. It runs to about Friday at 4. So it is literally a Monday through Friday, but due to the time zone where it actually started, yeah, it is a worldwide thing. Japan, everybody gets in it. So at their 8 or 9 o'clock, that's when it starts. So that being said, that's what it is. It's Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day. So next one is cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Bitcoin. It is 24/7, 365 days a week. It's nonstop. It's Bitcoin. I mean, it's a money, digital money. You can trade it different. You can buy it from the Bitcoin itself, the U.S. Bitcoin, or you can trade against other stock Bitcoins, just like the forex market. You can buy cryptocurrency, the U.S. currency against Europe's cryptocurrency, Africa cryptocurrency, just whatever cryptocurrency there's just like forex. There's a ton of them. Now the next one is penny stock. Penny stock is stock less than $5. So penny stocks could range from a penny all the way up to $5. Now they can go above it, but it's kind of when they start out at. So I've seen penny stock up to $20 or $12. When they started out, there was like 26 cents. So it runs Monday through Friday. So there again, depending on your time zone when it starts. There's another one called dark pool. Now, I'm not going to really discuss dark pool for a reason why. I think there's only 2 brokers that I'm aware of that you can actually get into and trade with them, and I'll show you one after a while. But one of them, I think, is 25. I know it's a minimum of $25,000 just to get into this. This is where Warren Buffett is and everything. Dark pool stock is basically NASDAQ stock, but they do it under the table before it goes public, so everybody don't jump on it and start buying a bunch of stock, make the stock price go up. They can buy it under the table. Warren Buffett's into this. There's several other ones on there on stock market. You'll see where they say, "Oh, we made $2,000, $4,000, $5,000 trading stock," but they don't tell you it's the dark pool they're making money off of. So, Warrior Trader, that's what I was thinking of. Warrior Trader is one of them. I believe he does it. There's several of them does it. So, moving on. So, the first thing that you need to do is pick which stock you want to do, which way you're going to go. The second thing you need to learn is go to school. Learn this. Now, I mean not go to school like college or or trade school, but there's plenty of people. I'm going to start mine up now, showing you how to do stuff. There's plenty others out there that shows you. They have classes. I did mine. Mine was I think about $100, $200 a month. I did it for a while, got out, come back, did it for a little while longer, got out, and started doing my own. Still learning. It's not something you're going to do overnight and learn it and then get out there and do it and think, oh my God, I made tons of money. I've seen people get out and grab it, and you teach them a little thing, something to do, and they run out and grab it and run with it and make $500 the first week, then lose everything the next week. So therefore, do not use money that you do not have. So don't sit there and say, okay, I'm living paycheck to paycheck, I'm going to take $300 and invest it. Don't do it. You're more likely going to lose. And then, like I said, this is not a get rich program, but you can make a living off of it, and it's a long term. You can make a lot of money off of it. So therefore, learn it. That being said, learn the candle patterns. And when I first got in, all these gurus would tell you, oh, look here, we got this pattern, you got this pattern, this is the butterfly, this is the shark pattern, this is a whatever pattern, and you start swallowing it up and eating it up. And I did. I promise you, I did it. Same way with indicators. I'm going to show you my indicator. Let me show you my laptop. See all these little charts? They make it look good when you do it. Let me see if I can click on one here. See, look at there. Makes it look awesome. And when you see that, somebody says, oh my God, you can read that. Well, yeah, it is. But indicators cannot predict the future. They can only do what they do. I mean, they can only predict what's going on right now. But if you see the candles, if you learn the candles and what they mean, it's a lot better in these indicators. Now, that being said, once the candle starts doing it, then I would look at the indicator to verify, to make sure that it is doing what you think it's going to do. And that's how I do it. That's how a lot of the professional ones I talk to does it. I can't afford it. That's how I've learned from a lot of professional ones to do it. They'll use the candle patterns, and there's one called the 3-bar play. He teaches you how to do it. You can find him on YouTube. I don't know his name right now, but he teaches you the 3-bar play. He does not do Forex market, so don't even try it. Cryptocurrency, I don't think he does. He does the regular actual stocks. I don't think he does penny stocks. But learn the first thing I teach you to learn is the candle pattern. Now there is other things besides candle, but the candle pattern is the most common used. So I would learn it, then learn these. There's another guy come on the other day, was telling, I watched him, he was talking about indicators. He said, look here, here's this indicator, and this is how I used it. And he's like, "Look, here it's solidating." He circled a line where it was solidating at, and I can see it in the candle patterns. So I learned the candle patterns. So I can see it in the candle patterns. The charts, the indicators, just going to make it easier to find. But I can sit there and look at the candles and watch them and tell you it's solidating. So learn that much. My biggest thing is learn that, then get you some indicators and go from there. Is this a get rich quick? No, it's not. It's not a get rich quick. So everyone will tell you that again. It's not. Don't invest money unless you have the money. Is trading stock gambling? That answer is yes, it is gambling. The difference is there's a guy, Ken Grandu, I think that's his name, tells you if you go in there and look up casino gambling, he really narrows it down. The difference is between this gambling and regular gambling is that if you go to casino, they have it, and he explains it really well, which makes good sense. The casino has a 52% chance they're going to win, a 48% chance you're going to win. So no matter what, they come out to the head. Stock market, let me rephrase that. Stock market is basically either go up or down. So you got a 50-50 shot. So it goes up or down. But there's other ways you can do it. No matter what way you do it, you'll come out making money. So that being said, we'll discuss that in another video. Right now, I'm just trying to get you started in it. So to me, it's not like gambling, like most people says it is. Because if I go out here and play this, I think I got one in 100 million chances to win the Mega Million. Scratch off, you got less than that. And you know, casinos, unless you watch somebody play the slot machines, it's, you know, unless you watch them 2 hours playing it and then they get up and you might run over. But to me, it's just a little bit, you've got a better shot because, like I said, stock goes up or down. Other than that, you cash out, you put a stop loss and get out of it, or just log out when you realize it's not going to do what you're going to do, and get out and run. So it's totally different. You can lose more money. Well, it depends. I've seen people spend over $1,000 a month on scratch offs. So to me, if they invested in some stock, even if they invested in not penny stocks or not penny stocks, but Forex market stocks and stuff, and just regular stocks, to me, they probably have a better shot making money than these. So that being said, all right, now next step is to find you a demo. That meaning a demo. Go get you a demo account. So therefore, if you don't have trade your own money, this is actually a demo account. Do not go out and buy a $500 buy, but don't go out and get a $5,000 or $500,000 demo account. Get you a $1,000 demo account, a $500 demo account, the money you're going to put in. So I've seen people go out here and and I did it, I'm sorry, but I grabbed a $50,000 demo account, started trading with, and I thought, oh my God, I'm going to make all this money. You're not, because you have a $50,000 demo account. So pick the demo account that you're going to use. And if you're going to invest $200, $300, get you a $200 demo account and start trading with it. MetaTrader 4 is a one, but there again, you got to find a broker. I use the JFX broker. They are not my broker now, but their platform has a lot of feature. As you may see back on my other chart, they had a lot of features, indicators, and other branch of stuff they have, but they're not my broker. My broker actually is Forex broker. Thinkorswim, I think, has a demo account, but unfortunately, you do have to put money on their account to just use their demo. So you have money sitting there the whole time you're running your demo, but at least you get your demo account. Trader's View is where I keep most of my trades going. I will share my screen after a while because I don't want to do it now. I'm going to run my presentation to get back on it. I use these two to trade. The good thing about Trader's View, or for MetaTrader 4, does not have penny stocks. They do have a little, not a lot, of regular stocks like Google, Facebook, oil, but my broker does not allow me to do it. So therefore, if I don't, I can see it, and I can see it moving, but I don't buy it. Just like my friend, he wanted me to do it, and I said no, because I have to get another broker, and I just didn't want to fool with it. MetaTrader, or Trader's View, I'm sorry. Trader's View is got all stocks on it. I mean, it's got them all, penny stock, cryptocurrency, and it's very easy to use. You got a free version of it. You can pick brokers. I mean, put them on there and use it as a broker. You can pay a monthly fee and get a whole bunch of more stuff on it for good. MetaTrader is free. You just got to pick a broker. Like I said, you can open it, but it's not going to really work too good. It don't have a lot of features unless you go out and get a broker and link to it, and then you can pick a broker on it. Just open an account, and it'll ask you broker, and then go find a demo and open a demo account with that broker and do it that way. So it's the best way to do it and learn how to do it. These are your regular brokers: E-Trade, Robinhood. They do all stocks, but none of them, I don't believe, does Forex. Or I think some of them do cryptocurrency, but the Forex market they do not do. So the other two I showed you, MetaTrader does Forex only. So, but these are your other ones that does penny stocks, regular stocks. I think one or two of them does cryptocurrency. So this is your dark pool. This is one of the brokers that does the dark pool. As you can read the descriptions there, dark pool is legal. They have so many hours, like 12 to 24 hours, I think, to publish it, to allow it to go. But I'm not getting the dark pool a lot because most people that probably on here, you don't have $25,000 to $50,000 to even get into this. You've got to be pretty much well off. I mean, not well off, but you got to have a lot of money. Well, money, I mean, well off. I mean, most people don't have $25,000 laying around. They're just going to throw out and then hope to God, you just go out and buy lottery tickets, buy $25,000 lottery tickets, and say, oh well, I may win $1 million, may not. So that being said, that's back to dark pool. So let me take you to this. So this is my Mega. I get my charts set right. Okay, this is my MetaTrader 4 here. As you see, it is a demo account. I do have a real account on here, but right now it's just in demo mode, just for the fact I don't want nobody to get my account number up top. So this is my demo account. I can hit it, buy, sell here. It's just this is a demo account. So make sure you, like I said, start out with a demo account. But let me show you. See all these indicators? It makes you look good when you show people that, and they're like, "Oh my God, you can read all that?" Yeah, makes you look good. But the best thing it is look at your stock. I mean your candles. See the red one right here? So it's turned red. It's pushed down a lot. That's mostly telling me this is fixing to go down. You had a long trend up. It's going to go down. Looks like it. The bears are pushing it down. The bulls had control of it, especially here. And then the bears is now stepping in. Now it's turning red, and now it's doing it. This is Bollinger Bands. I won't get in great details all of this, but it is pushing in Bollinger Bands, meaning it's almost oversold. So here's my oversold one. It's oversold. But see, the first thing I noticed is the candles, and then I noticed the Bollinger Band. It is pushing in it. It's losing momentum. The sales is coming down, but the buyers coming down, but the sales are flat. So that's kind of a wishy-washy. So, but like I said, this would tell me this is a good trade. I'll actually sell. I'll put in a sell and go down on it. But anyway, we're going to discuss that later. And if you look at this chart here, it looks it's just these. It's all these all combined. I just put it over just to make it look more complicated. But see, these are what you got to look out for. Let me show you if I have it. Oh yeah, here is your Trader's View account. Now if you look over here, I have cryptocurrencies, There's Bitcoin. These are the Forex markets. And also I have penny stocks. So you pretty much can do any stock on Trader's View. So I would open Trader's View. You can put indicators here. You're only allowed so many indicators here. Just the fact you have to pay a monthly fee to get the indicators, but you can draw your charts if you learn them. You can do the patterns and stuff, but like I said, I would learn the candle patterns first. This could be a shark or a bat or a butterfly or Gartley pattern, and you'll have to learn all that later. I'll go through it later. And then of course this is the indicator, and the background's the indicator. They got a lot of tools that MetaTrader does not have, but unfortunately they don't have a demo account, not that I'm aware of. And like I said, to get more indicators, you have to pay for it. The MetaTrader, you can have all the indicators you want as long as that broker's got them. But you can add a ton of them. You can actually go shopping and add some. You can buy them and put them there. But like I said, learn these, and we'll go over indicators later on. So, like if I want to look at Google, I think Google is actually G-O, right? Yeah. I think it's Geo. Let's do it. Yeah, there goes Facebook. Each one of them is different. So this is why I like MetaTrader, or I'm sorry, Trader's View, because you can pull up every stock, and play with it and look at it. I know some of the other ones you can't pull it up, but these are these are the ones I watch. These are the ones I play all the time. I'm fixing to add more, but I don't want to start out with so many. Don't go out here and download, because if you look at let me go back to this. If you look at this, look at all the crypto. I mean, this is currency. This is cryptocurrency and money currency. So if you look at all these, now these are patterns. I mean, other things, like dollar. That's the dollar. Let's see, where is? I mean, I'll go down. There's Facebook, eBay. So all these are different ones. I can't trade them because my broker won't do it, but they are here. But this ain't all of them. But see, there's a ton of different cryptocurrencies and currencies, and honestly, I don't know if this is all of them. These are the ones they actually put on it. So me personally, just pick 5, 3, 5. Put them on there and play with them. Start watching them. Learn them. You don't put them all on here and try to go through every one of them at one time. You'll get so confused because you'll never know where your chart's at, who's done this, who's doing that. Just put 3 or 4, 5 top. Trade them on your demo account. Learn it, and then go from there. But anyways, I'm off here. Done took up 23 minutes of time. But probably next week after next, I'm going to start. I'll show you more stuff to do, how the candle patterns work. There's a lot on YouTube. I promise you, there's a lot of people on YouTube. You more likely don't even have to go to school. You can watch people on YouTube. YouTube people has got them. If you want to pay for somebody to do it, I had the worst robots. People actually had robots, and that's how I learned. They would trade for you, or they would send you alerts saying, hey, trade this, trade that. I lost more money listening to them and their robotic that automatically trade me than I have ever done it myself. So best thing to do is learn it yourself and go from there. With that being said, everybody have a good weekend.